Harley riders, listen up. If you've ever wished your factory radio could do more, handle the elements, connect seamlessly, and sound incredible, then this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. The Aquatic AQ-MP-5UBT-HS isn't just a replacement, it's a complete reimagining of your on-road audio experience. Right out of the gate, the plug-and-play aspect is a huge win. Using your existing Harley-Davidson factory mounting bracket and wiring means less time in the garage and more time on the open road. That's a thoughtful design choice that really respects a rider's time. Once it's in, you're greeted by a vibrant 3-inch color LCD display. It's optically bonded with tempered glass, so glare isn't an issue, and you can clearly see track information, even album artwork if you're an Apple user streaming via Bluetooth. Speaking of connectivity, this unit is packed. Bluetooth audio, MP3, USB, and AUX input are all here, giving you endless ways to stream your tunes. What's truly impressive is that this was the first aftermarket Harley radio to offer native iPod and iPhone support, a real game changer for Apple enthusiasts. And for those long hauls, it's SiriusXM ready, opening up over 170 stations, though you'll need a separate tuner and subscription for that. Of course, good old AM/FM radio is still there, with plenty of presets for your favorite local stations, compatible with both US and European frequencies. Now let's talk power. This isn't some weak little head unit. With a robust 288-watt Class AB amplifier, it's ready to push Sirius sound through up to 8 speakers, or a combination of speakers and subwoofers. It's 2-ohm stable, which means it can handle a variety of speaker setups without breaking a sweat. And the best part, you retain full control of your music directly from your Harley-Davidson factory handlebar controls. That's crucial for safety and convenience on the road. Aquatic AV also thought about the little things that make a big difference. There are 2 built-in 12V triggers, allowing you to control external devices like additional amplifiers or even deck lighting directly from the stereo. But perhaps one of the most innovative features is its patented detachable faceplate. This isn't just for security, it hides a clever storage compartment, perfect for charging and protecting your device while you ride. Finally, and perhaps most importantly for Harley, this radio is built like a tank. It boasts multi-environment protection, rated IP55 waterproof, and is fully resistant to UV, salt, and fog. It's also the first waterproof Harley radio to use a stainless steel chassis, preventing rust and ensuring it stands up to the toughest conditions Mother Nature can throw at it. Its clear Aquatic AV understands the demands of the open road. Overall, the Aquatic AV AQ-MP-5UBT-HS is an exceptional piece of engineering for any Harley-Davidson touring owner looking for a serious audio upgrade. It combines powerful sound, modern connectivity, and rugged durability into one seamless, rider-focused package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.